Me will always be tight. Memory every single day and night. Even when you stop acting like a fool, you know I'm loving every single thing you do.
What it do, B Squad, and we're back with another video. Well, just me, but anyways, guys, so today I am going to be doing a short cooking video because I just want y'all to see what I can make. So we have, anyway, so we have cooking. This is a pan, but I'm making some salmon. Alright, they're seasoned, and I already took off the little bag piece. I don't like that little flabby piece. That's nasty. So I'm making what is it called? I'm making like salmon and like Alfredo sauce, and like I'm basically making salmon Alfredo with shrimp and broccoli. So we're gonna see that process. Alright guys, so I'm done cooking. I'm tired. I gave up. I didn't really give up, but so I couldn't cook broccoli because the broccoli, it didn't smell good and it didn't look like good. So I didn't use broccoli. But I'm gonna show you guys the finished product and what I made. So as you can see, I made I made salmon and shrimp Alfredo. And this is a lot, but it's really not. Like, it looks like a lot, but it's not. But yeah, I'm about to try it and you guys can see how I like it. But it's hot, so I'm about to sit this plate down. Like, Alright guys, so now I finally sat down. I got my salmon and my shrimp and my pasta. So first thing I'm gonna try is the salmon and the pasta. I'm gonna get a little piece of salmon and then like just a little piece of pasta. Okay. I can see it. I can see it. Then I can try it. I was being lazy, so I didn't really take off the tails on the shrimp. But I'm gonna try the shrimp and the pasta. This is bust.
Finger licking, finger licking, finger licking, finger licking, finger licking,
This is good. Guys, you guys need to go and make this. If y'all wanna like, you know what? I'm gonna explain right now. So, what you wanna do is you wanna get your salmon, you wanna clean it, and you wanna cut off the back. Well, if you like, you don't have to cut off the back if you don't want to. But I just choose to cut off the back because I don't like the back. So you cut off the back, you season it however you want to season it, put it whatever seasonings you want to put on it. You get it, you put a little butter in the pan, you know, fry it up until you know you think it's done, because I don't want to kind of turn like a bright pink when it's done. So wait for that signal and then take it out and taste it, and if it's good, then it's good. Then, you know, you clean your shrimp and then you season your shrimp and do the same thing like you did with the salmon, but with the shrimp. So once you do that, then you want to get your Alfredo sauce. You can either buy one from the store, or you can home make one. And you want to, you know, get that in a pan with a little butter, stir it up, get it all good, put a little seasoning with that just so it can have some flavor, because it doesn't always have flavor. But while all of this is cooking, you want to have your pasta on, because the pasta takes the longest to cook. And if you don't know how to cook pasta by now, I can't help you. I can't help you. But anyways, so once you do all of that, then you want to add your pasta with your sauce. Then once you add the pasta with the sauce, then you know you can add the shrimp, or you can add the salmon and just either put it all in there, but I chose not to put my salmon inside with my shrimp Alfredo. Shrimp and the Alfredo. I decided to like eat the salmon on top separately, kind of, because this is my first time trying it, so I didn't know like how it was gonna taste. But now that I know how it tastes, I'm gonna like for sure put that in there. So with that being said, y'all, listen, if y'all want me to cook some more, just say that. Like, I'll cook. Like, I have no problem cooking. But if you just want more detailed cooking videos, just say that. I'll do it. And you know, if you don't know my motto, only people really know my motto is my friends and my family. But my motto is, in my kitchen, it's if you ain't sneezing, it ain't seasoned. Okay? So remember that. So if y'all want me to cook some more or do some baking videos, just let me know in the comment section below and I'll do it when I want to. No, I'm playing. But I'll do it. And so yeah, just let me know what y'all want to see, because baby, when I tell you, y'all missing out. Y'all missing out. Anyways, but thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more fun and entertaining videos to come.
Baby, come give me something, oh. Baby, come give me something, oh.